my tummy.
Good morning, Philippines!
Bertie, ano na? Bertie. Ganyan ko ha? Yan pa yung egg natin. Bilis scallion! Yay! Bilis scallion? Kasi masarap bilis scallion. Nga, ito na ka-coffee. Ito na coffee. Love. Na! Nabungkag manhan. Nani. Nabungkag ng itlog. Ang itlog mo dong nabungkag. So, forgive me if I'm wrong. The egg is separated because of the scallion.
You said you don't see it? I said, because you're blind?
Look at that, guys. Now he start telling me I'm blind.
Well, how can you not see them?
Anyway, guys, good morning, everything. So, ngayong araw, punta tayo sa isang bahay, maghakot ng gamit, and yon. Maghakot lang kami ng gamit. Nagtubig, diniligan ko na yung mga gulay natin na ang saya kasi everyday may harvest. Nag-harvest si Lloydie kagabi ng vegetables, diba? Pinadalhin ko siya. Ngayon, ang dadami pa at saka ang bilis lumaki ng cucumber. So, yung carnitami yung gamitin natin today kasi meron kaming dadalhin. Yung dadalhin namin is...
Your mask is here?
Yeah, it's right here. Yung dadalhin namin is yung mga upuan. I think that will fit here. You open it? Where's my phone, Han? Woo! The sun is blinding. The sun is blinding, so we have to wear glasses ding. Grabe. It keep going, Han. She's trying to close it while the car is halfway from the garage.
Annoying, but she's not pretty annoying. She's just really annoying and pretty. I said my wife is also pretty annoying, but she's pretty and really annoying.
Oh, that's the first time she said. Guys, that's the first time he said I'm pretty.
Yeah.
Oh my, honestly, I'm not joking. That's the first time he said I'm pretty. Am I really that pretty unto you?
Yes, hon.
Oh, amazing.
Huh?
That's the first time you need gas.
Of course I need gas.
Oh my God, hon, my heart is just like melting right now, honey. It's like a halo that it's too hot, it's been too fast. Honey. Thanks, hon. I love you.
Love you too.
Oh my God, I'm pretty for him. I thought he just married me because I'm short. But
Smuggler in a suitcase.
nagkuha lang kami ng gas, guys.
He's leaving. I just move forward.
Okay guys, so basahin ko yung mga comments ninyo. Yung si Tommy nagluluto. I said, I'm starving. I think the chicken tastes delicious. Good job, Tommy. And you sound so annoying to your husband.
The chicken came out pretty good.
Yeah, the chicken turned out pretty good. And somebody said, I sound like very annoying to you. Guys, if you don't know me, I'm really like that. Okay. If Tommy does a cooking show, just be quiet, MaryAnn.
Oops.
Let him do it his way. Sometimes you're too loud. No offense. So what? My God, guys, I'm just having fun with my husband. I will be boring. I can't be boring. It's just like that's who I am.
You think she's annoying to me? You ought to see her with the dogs.
That's who I am. What the heck? That's a nice shirt. You should do more of these bright colors. You should wear, you know.
What shirt was I wearing? Black with the red?
Yeah. I will get him more, like that, but with pockets, because he won't wear it if there's no pocket, guys. Tommy knows how to cook good food. He is an Italian and very good husband. Happy family. And you're the happiest and luckiest couple that I've even seen of all the YouTube. I love you both. There are sayings that it doesn't matter. If love exists, continue loving each other. I'm one of your fun. I love you both. This is from
That's
Lisa.
very sweet.
Yeah, that's very sweet, guys. That's from Lisa Plaza. Madam, you must wear long pants and shirt when doing your garden or every time you visit the garden. Yeah, the poison ivy thingy. Yes, Tommy deserved to have a cooking YouTube. Like you, Zane, you deserve to have a YouTube channel. We're all excited to watch if Tommy will have a cooking vlog. Stay safe, couple. This is from Male Elsogby. Yes, you continue, Tommy. Cook with Tommy. Cook with my Tommy. Nice title. She said, it's a nice title. Cook with my Tommy. Cook with my Tommy.
Tommy fills my tummy.
Tommy fills my tummy. Love watching your cooking show, Tommy. Can I request a recipe for you to cook? Say something, honey.
Yeah. Give me a recipe. I'll try it. She want to give me a recipe and have me try and cook it?
Yeah. Okay. Hi, MaryAnn and Tommy. That's interesting watching Tommy for a cooking vlog. Anyway, just be safe, guys. Tommy, make your own channel. Tommy's Little Kitchen. This is from maryannavitabile. Wow, Tommy's kitchen looks yummy yummy. He makes me hungry. Looks good, Tommy. God bless. Excited. Go, Tommy. I love you. I love you. Tommy Moy.
Tommy boy.
They call you Tommy Moy too. Hello, what are they building here? Hello, we never been here for a while, hon. Look, this is like a bushes area. Hello, kadiha. They're doing something. We're in fil-am. Things changes. Dong 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 dong. ano. Sabi pa ni Tami, dalawang chair. Ito siya, yung ilagay. Can't wait to put that in the house. That thing. Probably it's ruined on top, oh?
What thing?
This.
Oh, the piece. You probably want. I'll do that.
That's from the, yeah. So you have to get rid of this. Don't bring it. Because I don't want it.
Well, take it for now. Right.
It won't fit over there. Look, ang daming libro, guys. Tatapon. Just throw it out. So, maghanap kami ng cushion, na magandang cushion sa upuan na yun. Pero, for now, dalhin namin yung upuan niya para, for now, yun lang muna yung gamitin namin habang habang wala pa. Yun na lang. Push it now. Where is that Cohen thing? Baby. Whew, it's so hot in this house, like you're going to die.
You want this?
Probably somebody took it. Are you sure Isabel wanna give that?
Yes.
And you tell her, hi, we got it. I don't want her to think that I scare everything. It's not it's you. God, ang init. Magutom ako nito mamaya kasi alam nyo naman yung katawan natin is always looking for food every time. Pag 12 o'clock na is parang yun yung katawan ko, naghanap talaga ng mga pagkain.
Only 4, so. For cigarettes. Now, what table steak? Well, I don't know what you talk about table steak.
Table.
Oh, T-bone.
When are you gonna find?
Where are your ribeyes that you said?
It's over there. This one, oh, you just bring 2 steak. So we bring that one. Which one you want to bring? They're all the same.
Oh man, just take one. Leave the other ones in the bag. It's right in the bag.
Open that. Alahan umog, oh. Mini sticks. What the heck is that? Hala, this is like cold, Han. The cold is coming out.
Yeah. Okay.
Yun lang pinunta namin dito. Steak. At saka upuan. At saka ibang gamit. At saka sigarilyo ni Tami. Yun. Sus, ginoo ko. Oy, Han, I'm kissing your puwet. I'm kissing your butt.
Anything inside the kitchen?
I have to
The
go
mail
get
or
something,
something?
yeah. I thought we're done.
We are done.
So what are you bringing more?
Pick up the bag of sugar and.
Atsing ako ng atsing doon sa bahay kasi yung abog, grabe. Uy, naghintay kami sa mailman, kaso yung mailman wala pa dito, hindi pa dumating. I don't know. Do they have shake?
I would guess. There you go.
No, just go back, that's all. May mga boat dito, guys, oh. This is here in Euroshell. It's my first time coming here. What is this? Outdoor seating now available. Where is the outdoor seating dito? Oh, it's right here, oh. Okay. Because they open 12. So ngayon, si Tami nag-order ng pagkain. Tapos na.
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes? That's long. Oh, how sweet. I'm very sweet. Look at I'm holding his hand. May rason yan bakit hinawakan ko to para hindi siya makakuha ng pero hindi niya alam. Oh, how sweet naman, baby. Look at it. Tila ni. This is 40 bucks. Nice house, ano? Nice house. Oh, there is nice houses here, honey.
Yeah.
Over here?
Yeah.
I mean, this is pretty close to where my mother-in-law's house, but I've never really been here. Look, there are some nice houses in the back close to that restaurant. We only, if we come here, we don't keep coming here. We just turn here. This is our outline, this road here. Traffic starts now, guys. Look at this. Nag-start na yung traffic. I don't know why. It's not even 4 o'clock yet. It's 2:55. 1:55. Look at that. Nag-traffic na.
Bonk. 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 We have a check.
Aldo. It's over there. We fall over here, guys. Andito kami sa highway. Para ako na po yung mag-drive. Natutulog. He is so sleepy. My God. Can you look in the back? Maybe there's something is going to fall. I-arrange ko lang yung ano.
Your phone?
My phone is right there. Okay, ako na mag-drive, guys, kasi wa na si Tami, katulugon si Tami. Are you okay na?
I'm okay. You want to drive in my neck?
No, because you like, Han, you're everywhere. So, yun, ako muna yung mag-drive. And it's in the highway. Everybody's speeding. And there's a lot of cars. Okay, guys. Pray, guys, na makaabot tayo ng bahay. Mag-cut lang ako ng mga sangkap para sa salad kasi mag-salad kami and steak. So, yun yung kainan namin. And mag-cut ako ng onion, celery, yun lang. Before tayo yan, kain tayo ng pulveron. Okay, bago tayo magpunta sa labas. Kasi yung lulutuin ko sana is, ang lulutuin namin, salad, di ba? Steak. Ang pangit ng lips na parang kinain na yung lips ng baso. Steak. Tammy's dream dinner. This is what he dreamed. Let's stand there, yan. Do I look okay?
Yes, you're doing that modeling flip.
Do I? Can you do that, honey? Can you do that?
Flip. Do the flip. The hair flip.
I'm like sitting down here. He is cooking. And it's humid. Humid like crazy. Grabe yung humidity, guys. It's like sticky humidity. Right hand? Humid, sticky.
What?
Sticky, humid.
It is sticky.
Ding, ding.
How you like that?
She's so lucky. You're so lucky. You're so lucky, guys. You guys are so lucky. Are you huffing and puffing? Are you hot? Are you hot? Roxy, are you hot? Hi, Misty. Hello, Misty. Did you eat? You didn't? You didn't? You didn't? You eat? You didn't eat? What?
You didn't ask such a dumb question.
Ayan. Dumb question. You call me dumb? Look, Mrs. Nippin, she said, oh, this smells so good. Hi, guys! Nandun sila sa labas. Pinaihi lang yung dalawang aso. Hello, guys. Good evening. 10 o'clock na ngayon. Nanonood si Tami ng show na something na hindi ko magits. And then, katatapos lang din. So, ngayon, bedtime na. I-end ko na tong vlog sa bed na naman tayo mag-end. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Naghintay din ako sa ng kapatid ko. Message para tawagan ko. Kasi may surprise ako sa kapatid ko na bunso namin. At saka yung kapatid ko na babae yung pinapabili ko. Sabi ko, surprise natin yung bunso natin. So, yun, makikita nyo probably sa vlog. Hopefully, makapag-video yung kapatid ko kung ano yung ibibigay ko. Yeah, kasi kailangan. And gusto din niya. Matagal na siyang gusto ng ganun. So, i-surprise natin. And anyway, somebody's listening because she's very nosy. Hello? You're very nosy. Hello? Dada's still outside? Dada let you in? And he's still outside? Oh my God. He's still outside? So, yun. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Andun pa si Tami sa labas. Good night. Good night, everything. Good night, everything. Bye.